and a little TV on the wall.
Oh, we're gonna get TV on the wall.
Yeah, hopefully. Boo! I like this kitchen. I want the big sink. Oh, that's cool. Pretty. Wow. Measure for free. What's that? Is it the cooker? You can cook some dinner. I want one of these, the big sinks. We're taking over this one. Oh, who's through here? The picture on the wall.
Yeah.
Ooh! It's a pretend picture outside. Yeah. Pretty cool. We're at Ikea. Whoa. Yeah. So I'm gonna say very dark though. I prefer it lighter. Not my cup of tea really. This is nice. Yeah, I like this. It's nice. Come in, sit with the panda. Woo. Got my friend the panda bear. Ooh, it's quite cool. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I need some more storage boxes for the kids' room anyway. So maybe we'll have a look. Probably in the marketplace. But yeah. Go around. I want more of these plants and stuff. They say how much they are. Are we underneath? They say £4. It's not bad. I know, he's my friend too. Aww. Come then. Imagine I live in somewhere like this. Yeah, look at this. I think this sofa looks like it's been used by you guys. That's what you do to ones at home.
Is that your soup spoon?
It's cool. 95. Pretty. And baskets. Do some baskets. They're quite a bit decent size as well. Big bay window.
Mummy, look what I can do.
Oh, that's cool. Careful, there's glass in there. Close it, please, darling. Oh, are you having Roo? I think you need to be careful, darling. Put it back on the coaster. That's it.
He's having a 3-piece meal.
3-course meal.
Mummy.
Yeah?
Please, Mummy.
Oh, you stuck? Oh. Oh, you. Where are you? Oh, you're sitting in your chair. Nice little books. I do like these. Not that I have anywhere for it, but I like the idea of them. Right, should we carry on then? Are you trying to fix the sofa? I look correct in everything. Oh, I like this. That's really cool. And that's really cool.
Yeah, I like those.
Like the island sinks. Pretty. Ooh, and different drawers. That's very cool. Ooh. I don't think we bathe him in the sink anymore. You having a bath?
We got this one, we could do it again.
Having a bath in the sink?
Wait, what?
Huh? The toilet in here. A little shower. It's pretty. Hi! Look! Down this way. Yeah. Down this way. Pretty.
Yeah?
Nice and dark.
Perry?
I like the light one. In the light. It's cool. Big wardrobes. Need one of these. Oh, and a little bathroom. Hi. Welcome to my bathroom. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, I like these storage boxes. That's what I want for Ina. Come on, Free, what are you doing? Peekaboo! Right, I'm gonna carry on. Do you want help? No, he's gonna. He matches the bedding, doesn't he? Are you going to sleep there? Isla's going to sleep over there?
Oh, he's nice.
See, I looked into getting this one for Ruben because you can obviously have it down there or you can have it up here.
Yeah.
You can change it.
Right, yeah. Turn it up the other way.
Yeah. So then he has his own space underneath. But I think I might move the room around if I do that because this will cover the window otherwise.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to rejig things if that's the way I decide to go. Oh dear.
Wow.
Careful.
You couldn't see this.
Is it a jungle out there?
Yeah.
Jungle in here. Ooh, ah, you're giving yourself kisses. Go, mwah.
And look at
Yeah. Come on then, should we carry on? Doggy. Oh, woof woof. Hello, doggy. Oh, hello. Look at all the kid stuff.
just licked
Nice hooks. He licked me, did he?
Yeah.
I quite like this. It's like £17. The shelf. These are all very colourful. Bit bold colours. We've got more pastel colours in their room. Pastel is the way to go. But they're still cool. These are so cool. They've got pastel ones, so I'll just grab a set of these and the plates and the bowls. They're really cool. We're always using them. They're pretty. Could do with a rug in the kids' room. 17. Oh, I like the stars one. How much is that one? Pretty. 29. Cool. We're in the marketplace now. Oh, I like the plates. I like those. That's what I was looking at. They're pretty. Even these are quite cool. Little designs. £2. Big plates. That's £6. Yeah, lots of stuff. I don't know what I want though. Pretty.
Hi.
Hello. What are we doing today, Isla? Can you tell them? Where are we?
We are at Ikea.
Ikea, yeah.
Ikea.
Oh, there's Nana over there. Look, they're there. Isla wants to come and be with you guys.
Hey, Anna.
You got Nana.
Yeah.
Oh, I should have measured up the kitchen window because I need one for the kitchen window. Like the grey. What a different one. I like that. That's nice. And that one. £2. Oh, the different blinds. Oh, that's pretty. Is that £5? That's nice. Are they gone?
Yeah.
Oh no. Where have they gone? Have we lost them?
I think in shops.
In the shops. But we're in the shops. We're in a big shop, aren't we? We're in
We're
Ikea.
in a small shop.
Get into the bit that I need as a...
Shop.
It's a big shop, Daddy. Storage boxes, that's what we need. Babies.
Hello.
Have an apple snap. We're in the lighting area. I like the wall over there. These. The giant bowls. How much are they? £6. I like that one over there though. Pretty cool. Oh, I need to get a lampshade for their room, but I haven't found one. I'm like, is that your box, is it?
My box.
Your box.
No, you're that box.
You're a box.
That box.
That's a box for all your toys. But are you going to carry it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I put it on my head.
You have put it on your head.
Look on there.
I really like these. They're they're £9, aren't they? Yeah, £9. They're really cute. But it's like I have those ones, I have these white ones, and I have one of these in the kitchen. So I don't really know where I'd put it. What would I do? I don't know. I might have to leave it. I quite like these ones as well. That's nice. That one. I can still see you. Peekaboo. No, I'm filming. I'm filming you. So I can look at you. Ruben's filming, aren't you? Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, careful, don't lose it. Don't drop it. Still
Look at
recording.
pizza.
There it is. Now you're recording. Don't drop it, okay? I'm going to tickle you. Like this little display. It's so cute. Cute display. Isla's over there. We're following. We're in the warehouse section now. I don't think we're actually getting anything. These boxes would fit on my... Oh, I don't really like this lining though. Bit yellow. I need some storage boxes on my bottom of my new unit. I just don't know what. Yeah, that's our full trolley. We're going to pay in a minute, Roo. We're nearly there, nearly at the end.
We need to pay for this.
Yeah, we do need to pay for it. Is that your new storage box for your toys?
Yeah.
Yeah, for your
For
room.
my Spider-Man.
For Spider-Man, that's a good idea. We could put Spider-Man in there. All your Spider-Man, yeah?
Yeah.
And we can put some of Isla's Disney dolls in her other box, haven't we?
Ooh, what's going on over here?
Yeah, Hamden. Those are the ones I've got. Nice and firm. Pillow firmer. That's the one I picked up, £6. Nice and firm. And I bought myself an aloe vera plant.
Down to
So it's growing another aloe vera plant out of it.
Oh no!
And we're at the bargain corner. Of course, we can't come to Ikea and not come to the bargain corner.
Just you.
Yeah, they've changed it. Their boxes. £2. Some storage boxes. Get a sink. Cheap. Wood pieces. Good. These are good for artwork. £1. Don't know. Just feel like I've got like these sort of plank things can like easily be turned into other shelves or artwork, like backboard for artwork and stuff. And you've got lamps, treat Christmas decorations. These are £1.
Right.
It is. Quite like. Oh, I quite like that. That's cool.
Oh my goodness me.
£9.60.
How many meals is this place? It's like it can be out. If they are like
£92.
it's 3 people there.
What's that? Showroom product. I don't know what it is. So we are done at Ikea. We're finished, aren't we? Oh, it's been a long day. So tired. You see me. I was still something coming. Hello. What are you doing? But yeah, so we are done. We've got everything. We're just waiting for the others to pay. They're over there at the moment. And then we're going to head home. very tired. You tired either? Ruben's still full of energy. We're just part of the display over here. Yeah. I'm just sitting here chilling. You see me?
Yeah, because your head is car. Yeah, your head is car.
Up. That better? That better?
That.
See, I need one of the ones that flip round so I can see myself. That would be so much easier. Make my life a lot easier. We've had a bit of palaver trying to find a rug for my sister. We've had a bit of palaver with my other sister's car and getting here, and it's been a bit of a mission, but we still enjoyed it. We still had a good day, and we've had meatballs, and we've got some meatballs to take home with us, and we've bought the stuff that we wanted to. I'll probably do a haul video at some point of all the bits I got today. So yeah, good.